Hello, I'm Florian, and I'm a certified expert Atlassian consultant working at Valiantys. Today, I will show you how you can embed a very good banner with a lot of different customization possible, just using a very simple hack on Confluence Cloud and on Confluence Data Center. It works the same for both platforms. So what I do here is just create a new space. For the start of the configuration, I will need to be a space admin, but for all the future modification of the page and of the banner, I can be a simple user allowed to do the modification. So that's very useful and very easy to get. So the first part here will be to go into the space setting as a space admin. Here, I go into the look and feel part, and I go into the layout part. I have the possibility to set an header or a footer. So note that what I will show you today is also useful if you want to set a footer for all your page in the space. So here in the header part, we will just use some macro include using the Wiki markup notation. So I will just copy on the Atlassian documentation about the macro on Confluence, the corresponding Wiki markup notation here. And I will just do a modification of some information. So here, the include is the name of the macro. Here, the BS is the name of the space the page you want to include is, and here is the name of the current page we want. So I will just save this. It will not work because I don't have this page on my space, but here I will just go into a test page here, and I will just copy this. So here you see that the included page could not be found. This is displayed because we have misconfigured the space header. So I will go back and I just take the name of the page here. I go into the layout and I will just update this to the right name of the page. Now, if I go back into my page, here I see that the content of my page is displayed on the top of this page, and it's displayed on the top of every page of your space, which can be very handy if you want to display, for example, the logo of your company or some specific information, which I will show you by modifying the page I use as a header. So here I will just click to edit here, and I will just get some images I want to add. So I will copy this image here. I will change this by the image. I will just make it a bit bigger, update the page, and all it will take is just refresh the page here, and we'll see that on the top of the page I got a nice image showing. And here, if I want, I can also try to edit my specific page, for example, to add a table. So I will just add, for example, 4 column, and here I will just add some links inside. So I will just bring this one. I will display it as an inline link here, and I will just copy it in each part for the demo. Then I will update the page, and you will see that after I just refresh the page, I will have all the information I want in a nice table with some kind of tabs and still the image. So you can see how it can be easy to just configure this kind of header or this kind of footer for your page. And when you did the configuration, when the configuration is done, every user can just make some modification of the header if you allow them, and it's very easy. So you can just try to add a specific banner for some specific space, but you can also try to add a specific banner for all the spaces. And to do this, you can just go header and footer in the global configuration and do the same kind of modification, just using a header on this part. Just note that if you set a global header and a specific space have a specific header setup, this is the specific header that will show, and both header will not show. So this can be useful because you can just set up a global header and some spaces can keep their specific header. Hopefully, I hope this little hack will help you using Confluence and making it more easy to use for you.